causeway by the big hotel. We fought, and now I can't remember why. After all the words were said and tears were gone, we vowed we'd never say goodbye. When we kissed, we could hear the sound of thunder as we watched the regulars rush the big hotels. We kissed again as the shower swept the Florida shore, and you opened your umbrella. We walked between the raindrops back to your door, and we walked between the raindrops back to your door. In my dreams, I can hear the sound of thunder. I can see the causeway by the big hotels. That happy day